Good morning, children. Now, let's start a new reader. This is your title page. Now, let's read the title Houses and Homes. What is houses? Houses is a building, and homes where we live with our family. Cambridge Reading Adventure, and this is Red Band series. This is spine of your reader and this is back cover. Read with me, houses and homes. Now let's open page number 1 and read the title with me, houses and homes. Now open page number 2 and read with me, I live in a bungalow, full stop. Again read with me, I live in a bungalow, full stop. Look at this boy, he is saying that I live in a bungalow. What is bungalow? Bungalow is a single story house. Now read with me, I go up a ramp to the door, full stop. Again read with me, I go up a ramp to the door. Now open page number 3. Look at here, it's a bungalow. It's a one floor house. Look, there is no any other story. Here is a door and here is a ramp. What is this? Ramp. R-A-M-P. Ramp. Ramp. What is ramp? Ramp is a slopey surface. Ramp. R-A-M. Ramp. So, what is this? It's a bungalow and it's a one floor house. And what is this? This is a ramp. 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 Now open page number 4 and read with me. I live in a townhouse. Full stop. Again read with me. I live in a townhouse. What is a townhouse? Townhouse is a narrow building with more than one floors. Now let's read the second line. I go up the stairs to my bedroom. Again read with me. I go up the stairs to my bedroom. Look at the girl. Where is she going? She is going upstairs to her bedroom. Now open page number 5 and look at the picture. What is this? This is a townhouse. What is a townhouse? Townhouse is a narrow building with more than one floors. Look at this building. It has 1, 2, 3. 3 floors. So, what is a townhouse? Townhouse is a building which have more than one floors. So, look at this girl. She is going upstairs to her bedroom. Might be her bedroom is on the second floor or might be it is on the third floor. Now open page number 6 and read with me. I live in a tower block. What is a tower block? Tower block is a narrow building with many floors. Look at this girl. She is standing outside the lift. And what is she saying? I go up in a lift to the 14th floor. Because her house is at the 14th floor. Now open page number 7 and look at this picture. What is this? This is a tower block. tower block is a narrow building with many floors. Look, this building has many floors. So, look at this girl. She lives on the 14th floor. So, she uses lift to go up and down. And she is standing outside the lift to go on the 14th floor. And what is this? This is a tower block. Now open page number 8 and read with me. I live on a boat. Again read with me. I live on a boat. Now let's read the second line. It can go up and down the canal. Again read with me. It can go up and down the canal. Look at this boy. What is he saying? He is saying that I live on a boat and it can go up and down the canal. Now open page number 9 and look at this picture. What is this? This is a boat house. What is this? Boat house. And this is canal. What is canal? Canal is an artificially watery way for the boat, and this is boat house. Some people likes to live in the boat. Read with me. Boat. Again read with me. Boat. Canal. What is this? Canal. Now open page number 10 and read with me. I live in a house on stilts. What is stilts? Stilts are pair of steel pole to support a house. Now let's read the second line. I climb up a ladder to get in. What is ladder? Ladder is a type of stairs. We can climb up with the ladder. Now let's read again. I live in a house on stilts. I climb up a ladder to get in. Now look at this boy. What is he saying? He is saying that I live in a house on stilts. I climb up a ladder to get in. Now open page number 11 and look at the picture. Look, what are these? These are stilts. Look, there are many stilts. Stilts. What is this? Stilts. Why there are stilts? Because stilts support a house. Stilts. What is this? Ladder. What is this? Ladder. They use ladder to climb up the house. What is this? Ladder. Now open page number 12 and read with me. I live in a house under the ground. Again read with me. I live in a house under the ground. Now let's read the next line. I go down to the door to get in. Again read with me. I go down to the door to get in. Look at this boy. What is he saying? That I live in a house under the ground and I go down to the door to get in. Now look, inside walls. This is inside the wall. What is this? Inside walls. Now open page number 13 and look at this picture. What is this? This is a house. It is under the ground. Look, this is under the ground, and these are doors, and look, these are stairs. Look at this boy. He lives in this house which is under the ground, and he go down to get in the door. So this house is under the ground. Now open page number 14 and read with me. Here are some more houses. Again read with me. Here are some more houses. How do you go in? Now they are asking, there are more houses, and we have to tell them that how we can go in. Now let's have a look on the first picture. This house is, look, there is a water, so how we can go in? Yes, we can go in with the help of the boat. Very good. Now let's have a look on this house. How you can go in? Look, there is a door as well, and there is a rope as well. You can climb up the rope and you can go in with the door as well. Very good. Now let's have a look on this house. This house is under the ground, so we can go in with the door. Very good. Now let's have a look on this house. This house is on the stilts, so we can go up with the help of the ladder. Very good. Now look at this house. What is this? It's a bungalow, or in the bungalow we can go with the stairs or with the ramp as well. Now open page number 15 and read with me. Look, this is index, and here they are telling us boat is on page number 8. So let's open page number 8. Look, this is page number 8 and there is a boat. So with this page we can find out the correct page number. Look, bungalow on page number 2, house on page number 4, houses on stilts page number 10, tower block page number 6, underground houses on page number 12. So this is index page from where we can see the page number. Now let's read the sidecards together. Stilts. Stilts. S-T-I-L-T-S. Stilts. Again read with me. Stilts. Climb. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Climb. Ground. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Ground. Ladder. Ladder. L-A-D-D-E-R. Ladder. Ladder. Inside. Inside. I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. Inside. I hope you enjoyed your today's reading, houses and homes. Now do good reading at home. Goodbye.